cans of baseball cards.
Yeah, close the door.
Until 4:15 p.m.
Let's go, Storm Chief.
7 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Danbury, or 12 miles west of Island Road, moving north at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Battle Creek around 3:30 p.m. Cushing around 3:35 p.m. Holstein around 3:40 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for west central Iowa. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Ida, and Woodbury.
No.